COVID-19 cases are on the rise across East Texas, including Gregg County. Leaders there were some of the first in our area to issue safety restrictions in the early stages of the pandemic. As of today, there are 168 active cases in the county. Since March, there have been 313 total cases with 12 deaths. Now, business and community leaders are taking new steps to stop the spread. Fox 51's Sarah Allegre explains how.
COVID-19 cases continue to grow across Texas. Gregg County, one of the first counties issuing safety restrictions at the start of the pandemic, is seeing an increasing number of people testing positive. Now, business and community leaders are taking new steps to find solutions for growing healthcare challenges. COVID-19 has affected both the physical and mental health of not only the patients but everyone else. Longview Chamber of Commerce held a virtual health conference Wednesday, focusing on the impact of stress to a person's health.
Well, and it's not just the existence of COVID itself, right, that takes the toll. It's everything that goes along with it. It's the sheltering in place for weeks and weeks at a time. It's the disconnect from other human interaction.
Out of all COVID-19 cases in Gregg County, Longview makes up 80% of that number and all 12 deaths. Many in the county are already dealing with heart disease, high blood pressure, COPD, obesity, and other respiratory issues.
Right, those things that put us high up in the least healthy rankings are the same factors that make a person susceptible to COVID-19.
Gregg County is not alone in the resurgence of COVID-19 cases. Governor Abbott says it remains a very fast-spreading virus.
Not taking action to slow the spread will cause COVID to spread even worse, risking people's lives and ultimately leading to the closure of more businesses.
The Longview Chamber of Commerce continues to partner with health leaders, especially during the pandemic, to ensure the well-being of the local economy as well as the health of the community. Sarah Allegre, Fox 51 News.
Longview businesses as well as the healthcare community continue to take action to protect the public. Also say they're focusing on ways to lower the number of cases within the area.